Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered how YouTubers are able to earn substantial income by creating videos, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we are going to explore the various methods and strategies you can utilize to start making money through YouTube. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the details, let's understand the basics of earning money on YouTube. YouTube offers different ways for content creators to generate revenue, and it's crucial to understand the platform's guidelines and requirements. So, let's explore the 5 key methods that can help you earn money through YouTube. Method 1: YouTube Partner Program. The first and most popular method to monetize your YouTube channel is through the YouTube Partner Program. To be eligible for this program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for the program and start earning money through ads displayed on your videos. Method 2: Brand Sponsorships. Another way to earn money on YouTube is through brand sponsorships. This method involves collaborating with brands or companies that are interested in promoting their products or services through your channel. When you have a substantial number of subscribers and a niche audience, brands will pay you to create sponsored content and promote their offerings. Method 3: Merchandise and product sales. If you have a loyal fan base, selling merchandise or products related to your channel can be a lucrative way to earn money. You can create and sell branded merchandise, such as t-shirts, hats, or even digital products like ebooks, courses. This method allows you to leverage your influence and provide your audience with valuable merchandise. Method 4: Crowdfunding and donations. Crowdfunding and donations are yet another method to earn money through YouTube. Platforms like Patreon, Ko-fi, or even YouTube's own channel memberships feature allow your audience to support your channel financially. By offering exclusive perks or extra content to your supporters, you can encourage them to contribute to your channel's growth. Method 5: Affiliate Marketing. Lastly, affiliate marketing is a popular method to monetize your YouTube channel. By joining affiliate programs and promoting products or services in your videos, you can earn a commission for each sale or referral generated through your unique affiliate links. Make sure to disclose your affiliate partnerships to maintain transparency with your audience. And there you have it. We've covered the top 5 methods to earn money through YouTube. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and consistent high-quality content. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Focus on creating valuable and engaging videos, and success will come eventually. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on digital entrepreneurship. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.